Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off a full screen function that we selected for a few specific applications in our Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to disable it. First of all, we need to access our settings. Then in settings we are looking for display menu, and here we have full screen options. So when we open it here, as you can see, we have two apps that are using full screen option. To turn it off, we simply uncheck these boxes, and now no application is using full screen function. Of course, we can leave it for one specific one if we really want to, and that's basically it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.